NCEA Chinese Level 3, Characters and Compounds, Unit 2. Brought to you by NCEA Chinese Classroom. 大家好，我是安利老师. Just a couple of reminders before we start. Make sure that you take your time over this video. Pause to take notes and repeat after me to practice your tones and pronunciation. And make sure that you pause especially before I give the translation of the example sentences. This will give you a bit of time to think about what the sentences mean before I just give you the answer. And write down any questions that you have so that you can discuss them with your teacher in class. 我们开始吧. 超. So you can probably recognize all of the radicals in this character. We have like the movement, like 走, a foot, and we have a 刀, a knife, and a mouth. So moving really fast, cutting through the air really fast, and it's a person. So this means super. Okay, so what super things do we have? 超级市场. 超级市场. So this is the long name for a supermarket. You might have just learnt 超市, so that is the shortened version of 超级市场. Supermarket. 今天妈妈没有时间去超级市场买水果. Make sure to pause the video, have a think about what it means. So today Mum didn't have time to go to the supermarket to buy fruit. Nice simple sentence. 超漂亮. So now we know 超and 漂亮, beautiful. So how can we use this in a sentence? Super beautiful. 哇，她超漂亮啊. So someone might have seen a supermodel or something, and this first word is an onomatopoeia, one of those words that actually have a character. 哇, which is like wow. 她超漂亮啊. And this is also kind of like the wow, adds to that. So, wow, she's so beautiful. It's an exclamation. Cool. And a 超人 is a super person. This is the official name for Superman, but it can also mean you can refer to another person as a super person. Maybe your dad is really strong and you call him a 超人, a Superman. 你看过超人的电影吗? Have you seen the Superman movie? 迟. So this has the movement radical in it, but it also has this R-looking thing. This actually is another word for late. We also know another word for late. What's that? That's right, 1. So 迟, you can imagine the character as someone holding up their watch, pointing to the time. You're late. So you don't often see this one by itself, but here's a sentence with it. Have a think about what it means. 都这么迟了，你为什么没起床? It's already so late, or it's so late. Why haven't you gotten up yet? Someone's sleeping still in bed. Okay, 迟到. So you'll often see 迟 with 迟到. So we'll learn a bit more about 到 in Unit 4. But this is mean that they're late. Often see the two characters. 他为什么还没来? 他很少迟到. So why haven't they come yet? They're very rarely late, or 很少, very, very few, very few times they're late. All right, 除. You'll see this with 除了以外. So this is a lovely grammar structure, meaning apart from or besides something, blah, blah, blah. Okay. 除了星期三以外，我每天下午都打网球. So besides Wednesdays, every day in the afternoon I play tennis. So in English often we'll have it around the other way. We would say every day in the afternoon I play tennis except for Wednesdays. But just note the structure around this way. Sometimes you don't even see the EY, so just be careful. It does have a similar meaning, same meaning. Another example. 除了英语和汉语以外，我不会说别的语言. Besides English and Chinese, I can't speak any other languages. Okay, 船. You probably know this one already. It's a little boat. OK， 你可以从新西兰坐船到澳大利亚。So you can take a boat from New Zealand to Australia. So there's a couple of structures going on here. Don't forget the 从 somewhere, 到 somewhere. And how do we take a boat? We 坐 a 船. We sit on a boat. Okay, 船家. I think previously we've learnt 画家, an artist. So 家 is often referring to an expert of some kind. So this is a boat expert or a boat owner or someone that works with a boat, a boatman. So 这位船家的船又新又大. So this boat person's boat is both new and big. So it's a bit of a strange sentence, probably not very commonly used in this way, but it's one of the pieces of vocab that we need to learn, so learn it. Okay, check out the measure word for this person here. It is 位, so 一位, about people, a bit more formal word. All right, 船票. I think you can guess this, a boat ticket. So, ticket that you need to go on a boat. 一张船票是多少钱? Note the measure word for a ticket is a 张, a flat thing. How much is the boat ticket? Right, 词. So we can immediately see this language radical. So we know it's something to do with language, and it is the essence of language. It is words, a word. Okay, 这个词有什么意思? You're pointing to something on a page, don't know what it means. What does this word mean? 这个词. So we've also learnt 字, characters. So you might have 词 is a whole word. So a whole word might be one or two or even 3 or 4 characters. So 字 characters and 词 words. Okay, we have a 词典. So this is different from a 字典, which is a character dictionary. This is a word dictionary. 我每天看词典学中文. So every day I look at the dictionary to learn Chinese. Nina? 生词. So you know the word 出生, to be born. So this is something about new. So 生词 is new words. And 今天的生词都很容易. So today's new words are all very easy. 很容易. 村. This is a word for a village. And villages are often surrounded by trees in the mountains, so that's why we have our tree radical in there. 全村的人都出来欢迎我. So all the village people all came out to welcome me. 农村, countryside. 我比较喜欢住在农村. I comparatively like to live in the countryside, or I prefer to live in the countryside. Okay, that's it. To follow up, write down any questions that you have, get onto Quizlet to practice these words, complete the listening activity for this week, any grammar activities, and prepare for the unit test. Until next time, 再见.